For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting. Itiskitimes.co.za. From the corner of my eye, I'm seeing Shaka, the film being advertised on SuperSport. I thought the saga ends. I don't watch television that much, but I'm seeing that it's an ongoing series. I'm sure Inkosi Shaka has not died yet. I don't know. But yeah, look forward to that. It's on SuperSport. I was trying to look at who's going to be the man of the match. But anyhow, it's Golden Arrows 1, Orlando Pirates 2 in the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates stamping their authority on position number 2. They're always being mocked that they are deputy champions. But in my estimation, that's exactly where you want to be, so that if anything happens to the leaders, every season you want to be there. If the leaders slip up and they have a bad season, maybe it might just be your year. There's no one way of looking at football that just because you are number 2, you are poor, you are deputy champions. You must be at number 2 every year, so that if anything happens to the leader in 1 year, then at least you can slot in at number 1. So Orlando Pirates, well done. It's been a decent season. Loved it. Junior Kanye, your analysis, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, ngibulise.
Justify, Justin.
Yeah, Justice ngibulise. Lindo Pep.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ngibulise le uchama bobuzini ngibulise. Benedict Sofilakazi.
So and so.
Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Itiski TV, fighting on one, try to fix South African football.
Yeah, kumbula le uMatthew Booth. Yeah, bona. Yeah, ineyinoyele ku under 23.
Ithole kakhulu ngathi imephezulu kwesitubini. Ngathi imephezulu kwesitubini.
Oh yeah, Nikrotman yameyibona
Yeah,
enjani?
it's so tall.
He used to have hair when he was
Mara nice guy, personality great.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. When he was playing in 2000, when he was playing for the under 23 national team, I just remember now his image. Good begane inwele.
Yeah, tall guy and maningithanda personality yakho Methupuza.
Cool dude.
Yeah, very cool guy. Uphethele uphumuso man.
That's actually one of the best analysts in the country, Upumuzo.
Yeah.
One of the best articulators of football in the country.
And smart, like said.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah. I think he's the face of Nina. When, of course, you are the most watched. You are the most watched analyst in this country, whether anyone likes it or not. I know the numbers. But Le TV, I think he's the leader of analysis. And he's good looking, he's gorgeous, and he's always dressed nice as well. Shout out to him. That's not what we're talking about, but yeah, we're picking them up, Amachita.
Yeah,
for sure.
Yeah, a very good game, exciting game during the week, in fact. I think as coming a first half, Orlando Pirates.
Very exciting.
Orlando Pirates, they were playing half ground. I think first half playing half ground. Surprisingly, but a lot of players from Orlando Pirates side, I think their players abangadlali. Kim Video, Shandu sometimes on and off.
Yanga
Matiba on the left hand side as well.
Radio
Pane. Yeah, I think the list goes on. Yes, Buthelezi as well. So I'm talking about the goalkeeper. I think only 4 players started the game Saturday, and I'm a player that regularly go Orlando Pirates. Pirates, I think they were bebatlali half ground. Gameplay nigga gadlali 3-4-3 mancoba mncithi. Ngibona dlale ngoNthathe on the right hand side. I think Usbi on the left hand side. Zwane false 9. Beyangana strictly number 9. False 9 Dwande and this guy Zwane. I think they changed it. Dlamini in the midfield. I think begadlali 3-4-3. Very dynamic player on the right hand side. The gameplay was exposing this guy on the left hand side. I think he saw aboni itim sheet with him.
Paris.
Yes, there's a boy Matiba, just go at him. And for sure, Lomfano Dalaga right, very speedy player, tricky, very skillful player. But I think he can play Gakuchi Sebenzile let down by playing without a striker. Without a striker first half, so many players will have a face of Ipali. If he had a striker, aesthetically discipline, he was going to punish Orlando Pirates. Just stay on the box, 6 yards. Just have Lamar runs there. He was breaking the lines on the Pirates defense. Between Ukoki, Nalumfana Bogas, Baba Breaker. Always, I think, Maba Maka Lumfana Lo Yenuzwane, or sometimes Undwandwe, because they were interchanging. Sometimes if this boy, Badlali Pola between them, makumele bafinish I think kulaba poor khona. You
Khona
can
ipass
tell.
that he got Uzwane. It
Angithi
was a
poor
great
le
pass.
yashaye
Yeah, and
off
then he
target
did it once,
and
yeah.
it was
Yeah.
phambi kwepala.
That was a goal
That's
scoring
why
opportunity.
ngithi he lacks somebody who knows ukuthi ipala movie. Ipala ukuthi la ipala movie when I look it down if I check the line mangigijimele la ipala goalkeeper come I'm sure ipala movie you need to just shy target. It can come maybe between the legs. It can be a goal. I think Golden Arrows they had so many chances compared to Orlando Pirates first half. That's why they were pressing. If front three up, what they did, they wait Pamwe box 3. I think this guy in Tati, Uspim to on the left. This boy's one here, Pamwe line. They wait Orlando Pirates, the goalkeeper Susipol. I think always they want this boy the left footed. He's the future captain of Orlando Pirates, this boy. Mbogazi, a future. On a leadership skill. You are born. That's why but sometimes you are born for something.
Yeah.
He was born to be a leader.
Yeah, because I don't
Sometimes
think
it
I don't
go-
think we improve about Qeqesho.
No.
Maybe the coaches help him a little bit,
Yeah.
but you can just see that like naturally he's doing things that only he can do.
Yeah, because some of the things there they don't need coaching. The boy was from the middle field, running with the ball, just driving from. I think from here it's 30-meter run with the ball in his feet, like he ball control here, and then also. I'll protect with them foul okanye delay and finding ama opponent ama teammate wakhe baze bafike eyafini ye Golden Arrows and then a decisive pass. Well done to the boy. I think njoba ngisho mina has got leadership skill. This boy is the future captain of Orlando Pirates. Mangabhekana at the back he's helping Uxoki a lot. So many mistakes from Uxoki for me, always being late. Badlala boyithu I know he's a senior player Uxoki, but the boy the quality wakhe strong enyaweni. Check awareness, anticipation in the inning, the way he communicates. Well done to the boy. I think for me, on the left hand side, Pirates they were exposed. They were not. Njoba ngisho they were lucky not to concede. Lo mfana lo unthathi on the right hand side. If decision wakhe naye bekadlala amabhola like just wabuyise behind ungawalethi between goalkeeper like ne defense. Uyenzele ka 1-2 just wabuyise behind la play khona bezoko right in Golden Arrows. But also nabo they lack number boxing. And I think second half, Orlando Pirates, the game plan coach change. I think he brought Ngota, he brought Mabasa. This boy Silepe, if not mistaken as well, Marco. The game plan change. I to compliment to Kimvidu. I think if you can play regularly at Orlando Pirates, there's something that the Pirates are now in a Yes, I know sometimes he overdo things, but Mongadlali it happens this way. You understand? But second half, this guy, yes, I'm a change so into the coach. The only player I saw he came Orlando Pirates overall performance, I think the boy in Kulbanga first half, only him I single him out. Because now I check your first half. Yes, Tito Maswanga in Bonile first half. Not much. Tito dropping too much, always. No man be a runner behind that, he never speed. We are born with Gunama came 1 or 2 young Awatadi. He come from an injury. Good impact, not much, but Kim Video. I think for me, always creating foul for Orlando Pirates, protecting Ebola. Always see I try with at least Orlando Pirates combining a combination play. Just that sometimes it runs across and play these square passes. Will I be dangerous corner? I think the coach made cool logo nae. But for me now overall njoba ngisho. First half I think I give him. Kabelo dlala first half udlalenga amapechi but second half I give him the credit the boy. Pega difference between pass. Ngikhuluma second half pass. Well done. Yeah, Tito as well. That's why they came fresh second half. It's a game of 2 halves. Orlando Pirates second half they came fresh. Well done to Orlando Pirates. Also dominating the game. Combination play from Orlando Pirates. And bear in mind these players they are not even playing. And well done for playing Kota on the left hand side. I love to see him there, Because sometimes he play first time ball on the box and become dangerous. Because technically it's so good. Sometimes he kick it first time. Magaga left, Aga right, he must cut in sometimes and right footed to Aga so strong that much. So well done to coach Amdalisa on the left hand side. Also with Marco. I think the combination there they've got understanding that he is so good as well. And Marco no support.
Well, unfortunately, they can't take out Umufugang from that left-hand side.
No. When so we're talking about Neymar.
Yeah, unfortunately.
We're talking
Unfortunately. Nanoma umfuna ukumdlala lapho uNkotha, but there's a king there.
Yeah, you're talking about Neymar, you're talking about abantu abafana nabo Vinicius Junior. Those players that you can't play without them. especially big games like Lebo Idlala. Yes, there are games like this one. We ask good man Alimala. I'm surprised by save evident Mahopa. Coach. Yeah, I'm saving. No,
That means it's starting on
yeah,
Saturday.
but look at the finishing from Mabas.
Yeah.
Sometimes I know it did very well Saturday night. I'm talking about evident Mahopa. But when you check the way this guy finished Namhlanje Mabas, this guy is a finished striker. He's a striker always on the box.
He knows his job.
Exactly. And he knows good to move. He finished, if you look at initially Polang Elise, and the Pola will quick and top corner. And this guy has not been playing. Omunye will paluna pumele phezulu plus into the goalkeeper straight. Well done to Mabasa. I think this is how we're gonna judge you. Not how you chase you are a top central striker, you make sure they don't start the ball at the back, you bully it. We don't want that. Creating foul. He just finished. Yes, kuna ma mistake whereby he lost the ball, but Yambona Gadlali, think psychologically they kill him. I don't think it's a matter of performance for him not playing at Orlando Pirates. It's a matter of coach told himself that he's not gonna play. Because if I can compare with Mabasa, Mahopa evident with this guy. Me not play this boy. I know.
I didn't even understand why in the first half he wasn't playing.
Even na le game le aphuma kuyo ke le derby. Ngibonile makaphuma zangene I think evident.
That's what I'm saying. Even today, okay, uyamncane evidence, mara namhlanje ke you've changed the team, but why don't you start with Mabasa?
Exactly mfethu, that's why ngithi esani yabulala psychological, but well done
But
to
he's
him.
professional.
Yes, and well done for him for being strong. And mabamcela ukuthi go into a job because anyway you're getting paid for that. And he went there being professionally finished. Now in his manga check kuma score sheet, his name is there.
Yeah.
So Saturday I think it's a question mark ukuthi Jose very Calaban. I know ukuthi Korilo evident gulik na this guy Korile. Yabona mabas top class goal, not just a ordinary goal. But I think the coach has got the team. It just need to believe with some players. Because namhlanje udlala a second stream team. And yes, first half we are born a match fitness only can I can say the boy namhlanje uphakamisile isandla. But going forward, if coach need to believe in this players. I think in them shine no league good mama game our lose. You understand chasing Sundowns. He plays this best 11 yake forever. Sometimes one player when he get injured or pokeball or whatever,
Yeah.
and then he coach him limaza, and then uminqondo. But if you prepare these players, kula game njengalawo, play them. They will give. Agna player at Orlando Pirates also to Idlalisa, especially if you sign him, it means it's good enough.
Yeah, because
especially for Orlando
they
Pirates.
usually recruit good players.
Yes, if just play those players, I'm sure he knows good to compete and to compete with Mfukeng, Bonabo Mabasa, Abu Tito Masongai. Well done to Tito Masongai as well. He's not been playing, but this is a star player. Well done for him, even good run. It doesn't have a speed, but the continuity of the run. Him and Kabelo Dlamini, I'm fighting some Nego Kabelo for their pass. I think second half he did very well in terms of game management as well. And I think he must start passing game. But mina njoba ngishaka reach level like ngimbonile ngijimena Stars of Africa. Farouk is like a father to me. Ngimbukele kaningi lapho Stars of, he was a top class player. Yes, ku Pirates is unama game moments, but akaka reach that level. But today second half I compliment the boy. I think Kabelo Dlamini in terms of game management, he makes Pirates play. Also on a weekend magangena. I think you were raised his son because the Pirates didn't play against Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, in the
Ngikhuluma
first
first half.
Yeah.
Second half, ngikhuluma combination play nyamnika umfana. Mina ngizomnika credit if ukuthi umfana seKaslam uyazi, I'm very direct. So today second half, well done to him and also Tito Masongai for ukuhlala ku role like just stay on a dangerous, zone dangerous. Breaking the lines. Well done for Iran. Well done to Kabelo Dlamini to find him. Good goal as well. With two goalkeeper. Angazo's committed. But also Buchelezi man. I know second half not been tested much. First half he almost gave away. Utrishwenze gave away. You need to work handling your computer. But another than that, I think he did very well. Just to Jose Rivera say, Pete your hand by a season, my pal. Another coach that will pick. Also take over. He need to trust these players that are not playing at Orlando Pirates. I think Pirates they deserve to win this game, yeah, for me.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much to Junior. That's Orlando Pirates winning, traveling to the city of Etegwin, winning at the same stadium. It's an interesting dress rehearsal that you're playing at the stadium that you're going to be playing the final at. Orlando Pirates fans were there as well. Maybe they are choosing the seats that they will occupy in the final. Although, of course, Kaizer Chiefs has a substantial following, the biggest team in the country by far in terms of numbers. But yeah, Orlando Pirates familiarizing themselves, maybe putting some things there in the dressing rooms and stuff like that. So that's a huge advantage as well, that they got to play at the Moses Mabhida Stadium just before the final as well. Well-deserved victory for Orlando Pirates in the second half, based on the second half performance. Golden Arrows will go to bed tonight regretting that they could have got something from this game, and that's a genuine reality. Itiski TV, Itiski Times was suspecting. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Sharp kunjani bafowethu, igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.